Okay guys, we are going to unbox this, don't even know how to say it, I don't know, ANGE? I know that's not right, it's like French or something. But anyway, 2-in-1 titanium brush dryer. Got it on Amazon for 60 bucks, so let's unbox it. I just got out of the shower, washed my hair. I just have my hair drying in this little hair wrap towel. But let's see what the hype is about. Let's see, I like the packaging. It comes like in this nice box. Just gonna rip it. Okay. Okay, so we have this. I'm just gonna open it up. Love the packaging. Ooh, okay. So, not sure what's in here, but this is nice. It's got like a little cover. It's got the cord. So, oh goodness, you just pull it off like this. So I had the Revlon one, you know, the pink and black one that everyone has. And that one was really nice. I loved it. Oh, well, if you want to see it out of the towel. So I just do this. Then I do put some heat protectant spray on it. Brush it. Just make sure you guys brush it from the bottoms up. Okay, so when you plug it in, it has a little light here. It's off, cool, low, and high. You just twist it, just like the regular one. Just gonna run it through, and then I'll go in by sections. Give me your body. Give me your body. I like it. Definitely, I need to dry it like up here a little bit more, but I like the volume. It's better than putting a straight iron on your hair. But yeah, you can curl it in a little bit more. It does give like a little volume at the ends, which I like. That took me about 7 minutes. But I like it. Definitely recommend for 60 bucks. Some hair did come out, but I've been shedding a lot. But yeah, I like it. It's a nice grip. It's pretty fast. And I like the volume. So that's my review on the ANGE, however you pronounce it. But thanks for watching.